Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Jia. I'm one of the registered nurses working in this clinic. What brings you here today?
Actually, I came here for seeking some of the advices regarding my medication, nurse.
I see. I will definitely help you. Please be seated.
Thank you.
Okay. Before proceeding further, I would like to ask you a few questions. So it will help to get a better picture of your situation. Would that be okay?
Yes, nurse. What do you want to know?
If you don't mind, could you tell me, have you had any head injury before?
Yes, nurse. I had a head injury. So after that, I feel very headache and sometimes blackouts.
I see. Okay. If you don't mind, can I see your medication that the doctor
Yes,
prescribed for
sure.
you?
Yes, nurse. This is my medication.
Thank you. And thank you for answering my questions. I will definitely help you regarding your condition, explain to you,
Hmm.
and as well as
Hmm.
your medication. So don't worry about that.
Okay.
Now I will explain to you regarding your condition, post-traumatic epilepsy.
Okay.
This is usually happen due to some brain damage caused by physical trauma to
Hmm.
the brain. Do you get me?
Oh, yes, nurse. So is
And
it a
your
serious condition, nurse?
it's not serious condition in your case, but don't worry about that. This
Hmm.
medication definitely help you to lead a
Okay.
normal lifestyle. Is that
Okay.
clear to you?
Yes, nurse, but I
I,
heard that these medications are restricted in some countries.
uh, I very much understand your concern, but I think no restriction for traveling. You have to
Hmm.
be mindful few things. I will explain to you regarding that. Initially,
Hmm.
you can try to use a disease alert ban. Second
Hmm.
thing, you can allow someone to accompany you. So if there is anything happen, someone is with you. These are the few things
Okay.
you have to be take care and keep your medication
Okay,
with you
nurse.
at all times.
Okay.
Okay, then I will explain to you regarding your medication. This medication will definitely help you to control your headache as well as your blackouts safely and effectively.
Hmm.
And one
Okay.
benefit of this medicine is if there is no episodes of seizure within 4 years of time,
Hmm.
you will be able to discontinue this medication as per doctor's order. Is that
Okay.
clear to you?
Yes, nurse.
Okay, do you have any other concerns apart from this?
How long I needed to take this medication, nurse?
In certain cases, this medicine need to use as a lifelong course, but in your case the chances are very minimal. I know few cases before, as like you, they were able to discontinue the medication after 4 years of time. So I hope that you will also get the same experience. Don't worry about that. And I would like to explain to you regarding a epilepsy clinic available in our clinic. There are so many well established doctors and nurses are included in the
Hmm.
clinic.
Okay.
So you can join with us. It will definitely support you in your future. They will give you a proper instruction
Okay.
regarding your lifestyle.
Okay.
Is that okay with you?
Yes, nurse.
And I will give you some brochures regarding epilepsy management as well as the causes and symptoms. You
Okay.
can go through with this later. If you
Hmm.
have any question, you can immediately contact us. I will give you
Okay.
the contact details as well.
Okay. Okay,
Is
nurse.
that okay with you?
Yes, nurse. Can I
Are
go
you
home now?
interested to join with us?
Yes, nurse. Can I go home now, nurse?
Yes, you can go home now. And I wish you a speedy recovery.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, nurse. Thank you very much.